Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labour right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking it. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking it. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no support for Marky G, Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
We cannot ignore our growing public concern that some parliamentarians have not yet signed Integrity Code of Conduct for public officials. This sends a troubling message to the people we serve, undermining the principles of transparency and accountability which we seek to uphold. We must ensure that all public officials adhere to the standard of integrity required in public life. I have also noted what appears to be a coordinated attack on the Integrity Commission by certain political actors and their affiliates. Let me be clear, this is wrong. These attacks are not just harmful to the Commission, but they also undermine the critical work it does as guardian of transparency, accountability, and ethics in our democracy. Councillors,
Kingston